The OPPO Find X8 Ultra is officially set to launch in April, and it's already generating a ton of buzz in the tech world. Confirmed by Joey Bao, head of the OPPO Find series, this highly anticipated flagship promises to deliver a premium experience like no other. With a sleek design that has been described as the best-looking and most beautiful Ultra ever, the Find X8 Ultra is shaping up to be a game-changer. But it's not just about looks. This phone is packed with top-tier components that set it apart from the competition. From an industry-leading 0916 motor, one of the largest bionic linear motors on Android, to a high-quality 2K ultra-narrow straight screen, every detail has been meticulously crafted to enhance your experience. OPPO claims that the 0916 motor surpasses other Ultra models in vibration quality, response time, and bandwidth, offering haptic feedback that rivals even Apple's iPhone. And let's not forget the advanced imaging system, which is sure to impress photography enthusiasts. Joey Bao also reassured fans that the phone's thickness won't exceed 9 millimeters, joking that if it did, the R&D team would take responsibility. Recently, a leaked image of a mysterious device sparked rumors that it might be the Find X8 Ultra, but Joe was quick to dismiss it, calling it fake and emphasizing that the actual design is far more refined. With the launch just around the corner, excitement is building for what could be one of the most impressive Ultra smartphones of the year. If early impressions are anything to go by, the OPPO Find X8 Ultra is set to redefine what a premium smartphone can be. For more updates on the Find X8 Ultra and the latest in tech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology with TechVerse.